Morning guys, gals, Froggy here, installing a kick-down doorstop. I know this is not rocket science, but sometimes you might want to just have a look at how it's done by a do-it-yourself guy. This is the old one. I tried to fix it. It was basically, it didn't have enough tension on the spring. You can see how easy this moves. Didn't have enough tension to keep it in the up position. It would fall down like that. I took it apart. I tried bending the spring steel. The spring steel is just not any good anymore. It loses its tension, I guess. So anyway, bought a new one. Going to take it apart. Unfortunately, the holes do not line up. So I'll be using some new holes, but that's not really too big a deal. All right, let's open this up and take a look. Okay, it's a cheap doorstop. What can I say? The old screws are a little bit bigger, thicker than the new screws. I might use the old screws over again. This is probably some cast metal that's been coated with a finish that looks like bronze, but I doubt if it's really bronze. I think as far as quality, this old one might have been a little bit better quality. The spring steel is a little bit different. This was a piece that rubs over like an eccentric, and this one is just fastened on one end, but it does appear to, it'll hold it up there. I think it's more solid. This one is just finished. So let's take it to the door. I'm going to put it the same height. This height right here, sorry, a little out of frame. This height right here will cause it to actually catch this grout, line, and it'll help it not slide. I don't really think I need that, but that's how I did the old one, and I never had a problem with the old one sliding closed. The tile's pretty grippy anyway, but I'm just going to put it right there. Because the holes are almost the same. Let's see. I think I'm going to go with 4 new holes. I'll just go over this way a ½ an inch or so. This is solid wood door on the bottom there. I could go over here. Sorry, out of frame. Could go over there. But I think I like it there. So I'm gonna, I can fill in those 2 holes. I'm gonna mark those holes. I'm gonna pre-drill them with a little drill, like a pilot hole, just so that I don't split the wood. I don't think I'm going to split the wood, but a little pilot hole never hurts. So let me get a pen and mark those. You can see I marked 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. I'm going to drill them. Okay, there's my pilot holes. And I guess I'll use the new screws just because, I don't know, they're shinier. I'm not sure. Let me go look at them. Okay, there it is. I use the old screws just because they look stronger. It might be like 1 degree tilted off, 1 or 2 degrees, but not enough to matter. You get some putty or something and put it in those holes and call it good. So all my putty's dried up, but I did find some grout, actually, and it will stick to this very well. So I'm just going to put a couple of dabs of grout in there, and then next time the door gets painted, it'll get painted over. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Yeah, I found a little trim white touch-up paint, so I just put it on there. There's a little finishing touch. The door, the whole door needs painting really, but I just wanted to touch up that piece.